guys, today we're gonna play camping with my friend. His username is Roblox, Rob122 or Cold. Okay, so he's here. He's just saying KKK, but bro, how can he play camping? I'm just gonna say, are you sure? Are you still find it? But
Dad, this is Dad.
I'm sorry guys, that was my baby sister. He got a toy cat. It's trash! Trash, trash cat! Trash! I don't know what he's doing, but it doesn't exist. Bro, how about I just do... Oh, he's playing now. Be faster! 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 I said faster! I said faster! I said faster! I said faster! I said... Spamming words is not cool. Wait, where is he? Oh, there we go. There we go. He's there. Wait, where is he going? Only one person is allowed there. Oh, there we go. Wait. Where did he go? Here. I hop in and he's right there. Realistic house. Realistic house. Yes. Let's go. Let's go, guys. This is gonna be 1,000 views to make. Come on, for goodness. Oh my god. But I am super person. Oh my god, I'm sharing the screen on TV. Wow, I love camping, man. I love camping. Camping is the best game. It's the #1 story game. Oh my god. Okay, so... Oh my god. Bro. So we're gonna follow this guy here. See, there's a well there. There's a well. So this is a bit secret one. But it's leading us to the cave. Right? So we're going here. And should be our hiding spot for a while. Okay? Wait, dude, that's something useful you can find. Oh, that was grass. Okay, so yeah. Maybe brother starts in the searching. Okay. Yeah, why do we keep running in circles? Wait, he's lost. Oh, there we go. And yeah, he just said we're just gonna run in circles. Oh, that's secret. That is for the zombie fight or something, but oh my god. Wait, that's you? Oh my god. Let's go here. What is this? You have to be small? Wait, oh, it's another secret. Wait, there's a hammer inside. What? There are planks there, bro. Wait, can I glitch? Can I do wait, what did he say? Join. Okay. Wait, I can't. Stupid camera. Oh, there's a note! I got it. What is this? Camping trip gone wrong. Family 5 went camping. Wait, night is approaching. Sorry, I'm excited to read that, but night is approaching. Oh my god, bro. I'm so... Tell stories about by the campfire. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Slash and Screecraft, you're just gonna be better. Slash Screecraft, I wanna be better. Oh my god! Wait, where is he now? Where is he now? I can run backwards. Okay, so we're gonna follow Cold. Wait, he got an umbrella? Oh my god, wait. So we have to go. Hindi ko alam. Wait, oh my god! I have bad speed for a while. It's gonna be poison when you forgot the food. He's at the save here. Oh my god, I'm gonna die there. Save here. Can I get the baskets? Can I get the baskets? Okay, no die. I'm just saying that for words, man. Okay, now take it. Bro, that was a thief, bro. What the hell? He's just gonna take it? Oh my god, he's taking damage. Wait, he's taking damage! Oh my god, they're teammates, man. They're just looking the same here. Sun is rising. Okay. My god. Wait, bro. Is that the sun is rising? Okay. Alright. Wait, what if the steps collapse? Oh, I don't know that I'm private. My god, this is so small. No worries. Bro, you look cold. Come in. Bro, don't spam the door. Open and close. Wait, what? What the hell? It's a reindeer. Wait, that's a bear traps? Oh, this guy's oh my god, dude. My god. You dear mom, pop. Wait, oh my god, bro! Can I climb here? And I'm gonna sing the graduation song! Hello! Look who we are! Oh my god! Wait, the lake, yes. Man, this is... See, if daytime, we just run in circles. Nighttime, we do a story mode. Where are you now? the storms doesn't exist. It's gotta be acid rain. Oh, well man, I should go. Oh, wait, he got a what? Wait, what now? They're dancing. He's dancing. I'm gonna dance too. Man, bro, he called. Hey, that's my brother. Bro, no! Oh my god!